is alas 6. So waktu kita sa Aganan Beach kay naa daw beach valley dito by certain, so selatan ato. So mao ni dalan sa taingon sa Aganan Beach and kilid aning dalan natin naman nang Dumaguete Sibulan o Sibulan Dumaguete Airport. So alas 6 pa sa doon. Thanks God it's Friday, patulog na sa Aganan Beach kay naa daw it's volleyball tournament, so mukhagal na gamay pininglam whatever. So ni ara tao o day ni kuan gabi karong gabi diri sa Salibili. So niabot na ta guys niya ta diri sa kaning Salibili Beach Resort. Ani diri sa Aganan kay tanda dula na kayo pag abot niyo pagliko nimo dito sa na, so musulod ta kay mo take ta mga photos o videos kay naa di kuan karong gabi na ay kana music festival ay walo ka kuan banda maridiri niya. So diara so muni aperong gabi aya ay music festival. Okay. Nasa kayon so muni ilang beach volley court. So ingon alas 7 mo sugod pero alas 6 pa man. So again, nata diri sulod sa Salibili Beach Resort sa Aganan. Unya interview natin itong kanani. So from Aganan Beach, makita ninyo ng southern part of Cebu. That is Sumilon Island. Actually kanang Bohol basta di cloudy, makita ng iyang silhouette sa iyang kuan island. Of course that is Siquijor. And then the airport muna lang stage. So actually dili na to makita ang bukid sa Sibulan kay na mga carpool. So kini nga beach mga kamag, so actually muna gyud among kaliguanan sa unang panahon, wala pa gyud sa dili mga baybay ra man. So karon may mga tagya daghan na tawo. So karon gi-develop din sa mga Arbas family. So this is now called Salibili Beach Resort here in Aganan. Doon ra kayo. Paingon niyo sa atin mo pilit sa airport. So tonight they will be having that music festival, Ayaay. Ayun, ay 8 ka banda nga mag-alternative po sa 400 ang ilang okay, then about to start the first game. So mamina karon kung sa mga teams ani kay mura diretso na ni wala na ni mga opening or whatever siguro. So ang mag-opposite ani is the Dunabe with Coach Arnel and Anthony. So this is a 3-a-side competition pero in one team they can compose 5 with an only substitution. Okay, they have their warm up. Simultaneous warm up between the Cardinals and sa mga teaming usa. Between Cardinals and Team Diggers. Then this is match number 1 between the Diggers, and the Cardinals. So gayang nakasabot ni mga batano, no? Nagbulong kong CR, matiwa sila kamantay. Anong mag... So match number 1. Again, this is between the Diggers and the Cardinals. Okay, so 21. The Diggers got the first point. That was outside. Block. Good. This is quite a long rally. Points for the Diggers. It's 2 serving 1. And that was in. This lead, it's 3 serving 2. Cardinals leading. So this is for bracket 1. No whistle. And an attack. That's not bad. So it's a switch court every score of 7. Good block. Diretso na siguro yan. Oh, see, it's a 4 hits. So in beach volley, block is considered as a hit. So first hit yung block. And that was an ace. May mali sa score. Outside. Deadlock at 5 all. Good attack. Ito, tingnan natin. Long rally. Ayun, hindi pumasok. Pero may net touch. 6 serving 5. Another outside serve from the Diggers. Oh. 7 serving 6. Cardinals leading by 1 point. And there's an ace. Tanda Ramos Kwan. Wow. Wala kaning nawala to akong cellphone na tong si Bira mo ng bago na puning akuan. Good. Oh. I'm wondering about that fault. Sige. Ito yung scorer. Good. And that was in. Wow! Hindi pumasok. It's 9 serving 8. But that was outside. Deadlock at 9 all. Good serve. Ganda. Pumasok. Diniretso. At ayun. Nakuha. Good serve. Yun, good. Oh! Oh, ganda nun. 11 serving 10. Ang ganda ng serve. Ito. Diniretso. Good. Ayan. So, ito ang beach volley. Miski madapa. Diniretso. Good. Good. Ayun. Good. 13 serving 11. Good, tingnan natin. Ibinigay sa open. Wow! Lakas nun. Ready? Diretso. Ayun. Point lead for the Cardinals. Wow. Hindi na na-save. Tingnan natin. And good. It's a close match. It's 13 serving 14. And an ace by the Diggers. It's 14 serving 14. So deadlock pa at 14 all. So switch score tayo. Wow, maganda na placement. Maganda ng serve. Lakas. Power serve. Yun. Wow! A kill block. And an outside serve. Wow! Tingnan natin. Good. Nakuha pa. Nice save. Lalim. Atin hindi na na-save. Change lead tayo. Ito. Tingnan natin. Good. Nakuha pa rin. At hindi lang pumasok. Good. Walang save. Ito. Wow. Four hits na. 17 serving 18. Good receive. Set. Natin. Pumasok. Oh, that's a bad touch. It's 18 all. And an ace by the Diggers. Side. 19 all. This is again match number 1 between the Diggers and the there's a net violation. Match point sa kabila natin. And ang ganda. Wow. And again that's over. So hanggang kailan? Hanggang saan? Outside. Full sila. Kinawang 28. Serve. Hindi pumasok. Inside. Wow, ganda ng serve. Another ace. Wow, be careful dyan. 25 serving 21. Another good serve. Yan natin. Masok. That was outside. 22 serving 25. Service fault. And serve. So outside. Match point. 27 serving 22. What a serve.